This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Alamin SN Injection is used to address specific health issues. It is designed for individuals in hypermetabolic states and those facing complications during pregnancy due to nutritional deficiencies. Indications and uses. This injection is indicated for patients experiencing hypermetabolic states where there is a necessity for protein supplementation. It is also beneficial for addressing pregnancy complications that arise from nutritional deficiencies. The formulation supports overall growth and tissue repair, making it essential for both maternal and fetal health. How it works. The injection works by supplying essential amino acids that are pivotal for the growth, repair of body tissues, and various metabolic functions, especially during pregnancy. Directions for use. The injection is to be administered solely by a healthcare professional, either a doctor or a nurse, directly into the vein. The appropriate dosage and duration will be determined based on the individual's age, body weight, and underlying health condition. Possible side effects. Although generally considered safe, some individuals may experience side effects. It is advisable to consult a healthcare provider if any unusual symptoms occur post-administration. Precautions and warnings. Prior to receiving this injection, it is essential to inform your healthcare provider about any pre-existing conditions, especially if you are pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or breastfeeding. Additionally, disclosing any current medications or allergies is crucial to ensure safety. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this injection? It is used for protein supplementation and pregnancy complications. 2. How does it work? It provides essential amino acids for growth and metabolism. 3. How is it administered? It is given intravenously by healthcare professionals. 4. Are there side effects? Some may experience mild side effects. Consult a doctor if unusual symptoms arise. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us.